DJI just officially confirmed the Pocket 4 launches April 16th and the unboxing leaked early. But here's what's interesting. The leaker who saw the actual product called it boring. Let me explain what that actually means. DJI just posted an official teaser on their X account. Quote, "The world in my pocket. Get ready for Osmo Pocket 4, April 16th, 2026, 12 p.m. GMT. This is now official confirmation, not just leaks." Before this official teaser, an unboxing video just surfaced claiming the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 will officially launch on April 16th, 2026. The unboxer states that after more than 2 years of design, following the Pocket 3, the Pocket 4 launches April 16th. This isn't a random date. China retail stores are set to begin deliveries April 20th, with US availability expected the last week of April. That timeline matches DJI's typical pattern. China announcement first, then global rollout 1 to 2 weeks later. The box contents shown include camera body, extension arm, stand, extra light, ND filters, mic cradle, cables, charger, strap, and 2 carrying bags. Standard creator combo package. Just days after the unboxing, trusted leaker Igor Bogdanov from Quadro News published high-quality product shots. These aren't fan renders or speculative mock-ups. These images come directly from DJI's product page that's scheduled to go live April 16th when the official announcement happens. The images show the standalone package and multiple angles of the camera with accessories. The design looks more premium and travel-friendly than Pocket 3, with smoother lines and what some are calling a mini Osmo action vibe. A verified supplier in Guangzhou opened pre-sales at €420, approximately $455. This is bulk pricing requiring minimum 2-unit orders, so actual US retail pricing will likely differ slightly. But this gives the clearest pricing indicator yet, ahead of official pre-orders. For context, the Pocket 3 launched at a similar price point, so this suggests DJI is maintaining their positioning rather than pushing up market. Here's where it gets interesting. Igor Bogdanov, who leaked the official product images, posted a follow-up comment in Russian that translates to, "Unfortunately, the new Osmo is boring." He added, "I hope the 4 Pro will be much more interesting." This is significant coming from someone who has access to the actual hardware. What he's saying is the Pocket 4 is a safe, evolutionary upgrade, not a revolutionary one. The camera module appears nearly identical to Pocket 3. The improvements are in image processing, AI algorithms, battery life, and controls. Better workflow, not dramatically better image quality. If you already own a Pocket 3, the 4 doesn't appear to offer compelling reasons to upgrade. The hardware is fundamentally similar. You're getting refinements, not a generational leap. The real question is whether improved processing and AI features justify the cost of upgrading when your current camera still works perfectly fine. DJI's official teaser confirms April 16th at 12 p.m. GMT. The unboxing video, leaked product images from DJI's servers, and retail pre-order activity in China all align with this date. DJI typically announces in China first, with global availability within 1 to 2 weeks. Expect a creator combo bundle with the carrying case, extra battery, and possibly mini tripod or ND filter kit. The unboxing and official images confirm the Pocket 4 is real and launching soon. The early pricing suggests competitive positioning, but whether incremental improvements justify purchasing over keeping your Pocket 3 or waiting for the 4 Pro depends entirely on your specific needs. So, we have confirmation of the April 16th launch, official product images leaked from DJI's own servers, and early pricing signals around $450. But the most telling detail is the leaker who has actual access calling it boring and hoping the Pro model delivers more. That tells you everything about what kind of upgrade this actually is.